What are the various ways to prevent back injury when you are working out or going to the gym? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anuj Bhide. I am a brain and spine surgeon associated with Synapse Spine in Mumbai. So most of the times young patients come to us with severe pain in their back, maybe radiating to one leg or the other, and this has been triggered by some untoward weightlifting in the gym. So as we know that the fitness drive currently is on a high and most people are trying to get fit, but knowing the exact method how you can get fit and what steps to take before you begin your fitness journey is very important, since our back is the support pillar of the whole body. When you initially start going to the gym, the first and foremost thing that you need to do is warm up. Warm up actually increases the blood circulation into our muscles, and not just blood entering, but the blood exiting our muscles also starts increasing. This is very important because as our muscles contract and relax, there is a lot of lactic acid that is released, and if our blood flow out of the muscle is not proper, then this lactic acid starts accumulating, and then you have cramps or back spasms which occur in increasing intensity if you keep doing that exercise. So having a proper warm-up is very important. The second most important thing before you start your weight training or your gym activities is that you have proper core strength. Now I'm sure most of your gym gurus or your gym trainers have been emphasizing that your core strength has to be proper before you do any weight training. And unfortunately, most weight training enthusiasts forget to do this part. What do we mean by core strengthening? Core strengthening means that the pillars of our spine are supported on either side by muscles, not just the back but the front as well. So these muscles need to be in proper tone before we lift any object. So core strengthening exercises, to name a few, like bridges, leg raises or isometric planks, these are very important to increase the tone of our muscles so that they can get geared up for the activities ahead. The third important thing when we do any exercise involving weight training is that the back should not be rounded. Now rounded doesn't mean just forward rounding, but even extensive extension is not advisable. So this is where you have to tighten your core, hold the back in a neutral position. Only then you perform any activity which involves lifting your weight. So that is the third point we would like to emphasize. The fourth thing is that when you do a squat or any exercise which involves bending of your hip, the range of motion should not be extreme. When that happens, most of the time our lower back gets rounded off. When that gets rounded off, the pressures on the lower back start increasing. So you have to maintain the straight position of your spine whenever you are doing any of these squatting exercises. The last thing and the fifth thing that I would like to emphasize is that whenever we are doing any exercise which involves moving or lifting our back, you need to have your knees slightly flexed. So that engages our hamstring. If you have your knees in extended position or totally straight, then it totally takes out of play our hamstring muscles and puts the entire load on your lower back. So that is the reason why most deadlifts, if done improperly, would lead to some sort of lower back issues.